Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You already have two vectors. A then B, place them physically or imagine them. Start by aligning your fingers with vector A, point them straight along A's direction. Once done, curl your fingers naturally toward vector B. Don't twist your wrist. Make sure your arm and palm stay comfortable so the geometry is clear. This first step sets the handed orientation. It determines whether the resulting direction follows the right-hand rule or would flip if you use the left hand. Now curl your fingers from A toward B through the smaller angle between them. This motion represents the rotation from the first vector to the second. As you curl, observe where your thumb naturally points. That thumb direction is the cross-product result. Once you see the thumb direction, translate it into the coordinate system you use. For example, up, down into the page, or along +C. If vectors are collinear, the thumb will be undefined or zero length, indicating no perpendicular component. Finish by confirming the thumb direction against expected results. Thumb equals across B. If the result feels reversed, swap the order A versus B and repeat the curl. Cross products are anti-commutative, so swapping flips the sign. Make sure vectors were oriented tip to tail mentally, and if unclear, sketch a quick coordinate frame or compute with unit vectors to verify. Troubleshooting tip: if the thumb is ambiguous, rotate your wrist until the fingers curl.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.